Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I always have the munchies, and these are delicious, and these have been satisfying my munchies without adding too many calories or carbs. These are pork rinds by Southern Recipe. This is the salt and black pepper flavor. I usually do not like black pepper flavored like chips and things, but these are perfect. It's not overpowering. It really tastes like someone just took some black pepper and salt from the table and sprinkled it on. And listen to this crunch. I like having the little bags because it's the perfect size for a little snack so that I don't overindulge. These pork rinds have a nice crunch to them. I really like that most of them are bigger pieces and they're the ones that are more air puffed up and so they're easy to crunch. But there's little pieces in the bottom which I also find delicious because those are the ones that are really crunchy. So if you're looking for a keto-friendly, gluten-free, low-carb snack to satisfy when you just need to munch on something, these pork rinds by Southern Recipe are so delicious. Go ahead and try them. And that's my point of view.